Environmental concerns and green chemistry. Introduction. In 2009, there was a growing global awareness of the environmental impact of human activities, leading to an increased focus on green chemistry. Green chemistry, also known as sustainable chemistry, aims to minimize or eliminate hazardous substances throughout the entire life cycle of a chemical product, from its design to its disposal. This article will explore the environmental concerns of that time and the advancements made in green chemistry in 2009 to address these challenges. Climate change and global warming. Climate change and global warming were pressing environmental concerns in 2009. The emission of greenhouse gases, primarily carbon dioxide, CO2, from burning fossil fuels, was identified as a major contributor to the rising global temperatures. Greenhouse gases trap heat in the atmosphere, leading to the greenhouse effect and climate disruptions. In response to these concerns, green chemistry research focused on developing sustainable alternatives to fossil fuels and reducing CO2 emissions. Efforts were made to improve energy efficiency, develop cleaner and renewable energy sources, and explore carbon capture and utilization technologies. Green chemistry played a crucial role in mitigating climate change impacts by promoting environmentally friendly practices and reducing carbon footprints. Pollution and environmental contamination. Environmental pollution, including air, water, and soil contamination, was a significant concern in 2009. Industrial activities, improper waste disposal, and chemical releases contributed to the degradation of ecosystems and human health risks. Green chemistry aimed to address these issues by developing cleaner production methods and designing safer chemicals. Researchers explored alternative solvents, such as water or supercritical fluids, to replace volatile organic compounds, VOCs, and reduce air pollution. The development of biodegradable and non-toxic substances aimed to minimize the impact of chemical products on the environment. Additionally, green chemistry promoted waste reduction, recycling, and sustainable packaging to minimize the accumulation of pollutants in landfills and ecosystems. Depletion of natural resources. The depletion of natural resources, including fossil fuels, minerals, and rare elements, was a growing concern in 2009. Unsustainable extraction and consumption patterns threatened ecosystems, biodiversity, and future generations' ability to meet their needs. Green chemistry focused on resource conservation and developing sustainable processes. Researchers explored the use of renewable feedstocks, such as biomass and agricultural waste, as alternatives to fossil-based raw materials. Additionally, efforts were made to optimize reaction conditions, improve catalytic processes, and enhance atom economy to reduce the consumption of resources and minimize waste generation. Green chemistry principles promoted the efficient use of resources, reducing the environmental impact associated with resource extraction and utilization. Water pollution and sustainable water management. Water pollution and the sustainable management of water resources were critical environmental concerns in 2009. Industrial discharges, agricultural runoffs, and improper waste disposal led to the contamination of water bodies, affecting ecosystems and human health. Green chemistry aimed to minimize water pollution by developing sustainable water treatment technologies and promoting the use of benign chemicals. Researchers focused on developing innovative methods for water purification, including the use of green solvents, nanomaterials, and bio-based adsorbents. Sustainable water management strategies, such as water recycling and reuse, were also explored to conserve water resources and reduce the burden on freshwater ecosystems. Biodiversity conservation. The loss of biodiversity due to habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change was a growing concern in 2009. Green chemistry aimed to protect and conserve biodiversity by minimizing the use of hazardous chemicals and promoting sustainable practices. Researchers focused on developing environmentally friendly pesticides and herbicides to reduce